this video we are going to discuss about mountings of boiler. All boilers require some attachments on the shell or the drum to be able to operate the boiler correctly with safety. The water level in the boiler needs continuous vigil to safeguard against boiler running with shortage of water, which could cause burnout and collapse of the boiler. The boiler also needs protection from overpressure, for which a safety valve is required which would act to release any excess pressure. There is also need for fittings that help to feed in water, safeguard operation from low water level, supply steam to the external circuit, monitor steam pressure, etc. The boiler is fitted with essential mountings on the shell for safe operation. The list of mountings are: safety valves, steam stop valve, feed check valves, water level gauges, air purge valve, pressure gauge valve, scum blowdown valve, bottom blowdown valve. The air purge valve is mounted on the steam drum and is used for purging the air during cold start. The pressure gauge valve facilitates replacement of pressure gauge during operation. The scum blowdown valve is mounted on the steam drum and bottom blowdown valve is mounted on the water drum. The outlet of the valves are connected to the same pipe, which in turn is connected to the ship side blowdown valves. Bottom blow valves are provided on auxiliary water tube boilers to remove suspended and precipitated solids from the boiler water. The scum blowdown valve is used for removing the lighter contaminants like oil which floats on the top of water. The bottom blowdown valve is used for removing the heavier impurities which tend to settle down in the water drum.